Used for centuries in a variety of applications, fennel is known for its distinct licorice honey flavour. Fennel is an evergreen perennial herb with yellow flowers that can grow up to 1.8 metres high. Native to the Mediterranean, doTERRA sources its fennel from Europe, and the essential oil is distilled from its seed. With its stimulating essence, fennel is perfect for savoury and sweet dishes. When cooking with fennel, be sure to use the toothpick method to extract the oil from the bottle, as the smallest amount can pack a powerful burst of flavour. Fennel is one of the oils included in doTERRA Zengest. The unique, sweet scent of fennel also blends well with spicy essential oils like cinnamon. Bring out the bright, sweet notes of citrus essential oils like lime by blending them with fennel essential oil. Its herbaceous flavour is ideal for soups, salads, and for adding seasoning to your favourite recipes.